Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica Desu. Today's video is going to be a what's in my bag. I love these videos, and so I just thought I would come on, do a quick little video, show you guys what I've been carrying lately in my bag. I got this bag last year. It was kind of like my birthday present. I did what I got from my birthday video. I'll list that down below if you're interested in other things that I purchased. But this bag has been on my wish list for so long. And it took a very long time for me to actually find it. It took like a few years for me to find one in the condition that I wanted, with the authenticity card and the price point. If anyone know, like, you know, Chanel price points are like going up. And this particular bag is old. It's not vintage, but there aren't that many on the market. I've never really seen anyone in person with it. I only once like saw it on Pinterest, and then I just like fell in love and became like stalker vibes for it. But I'm so happy that I got it. I got it off of eBay. I've just been obsessed with eBay lately, guys. Like, they have like this authentication, you know, process, and if the bag isn't authentic, they'll give you your money back. So I felt really comfortable with that. And this was my first bag purchase ever purchasing off of eBay. It came with an authenticity card. So I'm just super excited that I got it. So this is the bag here, and I'm going to show you guys what I carry inside of it. It's so beautiful. I love the matte black hardware. It is nylon. It's from the airline line. If you type in Chanel classic nylon, sorry, if you type in Chanel classic flap nylon, it'll come up. But I love the detailing on the canvas here of the CC. I just think that's so beautiful. Like I said, I love the matte black hardware. Even on days I don't want to wear it on with the CC showing, it's still giving all the detail on the back, which is so beautiful. And the inside, I stuck all my stuff out because I just didn't want to like everything to dump out when I'm showing you guys. The inside has like the leather. Again, it came with an authenticity card, and I keep that inside the bag. So that came with it, which is really good. And it has like the number was visible. That was another thing. I just want the number to be visible inside. Very spacious. The fact that it's nylon and it isn't double flap, I'm able to fit so much stuff in it, guys. I'm a mom, and so I need a cute chic bag. I don't always want to carry a big bag. I can put a bottle in this. I've carried so much stuff in this bag that is like really ridiculous, but I love it, and I just want to share it with you guys. I'll list some down below, ones that I found if you're interested. I got this bag for $1,600, guys. Like, to just say that out loud is kind of like mind-blowing to me, because of the fact that right now a Chanel classic in this size is like $7,000. And I just could never justify that. I don't think, for even their qualities these days haven't been like up to par for me. It isn't leather, it is nylon, which for me matches my lifestyle, because I can just wipe this thing off and be fine. I can go out in the snow, I live in New Jersey, rain, whatever, and still feel okay with it. And I like to wear my bags. I don't like to baby my bags. I don't have time to be sitting up here, you know, putting too much thought into a bag like I put into my kids. thank you so much guys for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, definitely but thank you so much guys for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys like more from this channel, if you like the bag that I purchased, and share it with a friend. Until next time guys, have a great day. Bye.